How to check Google account password. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. On your iPhone, you can check your Google account password as well as other accounts password from the password app. So go ahead and open the passwords application on your device and you will be required to enter your biometrics or passcode. So go ahead and enter that and then tap on the search bar there and search for Google. And with this, you will see all the Google accounts related to this particular device. So simply tap on the account password that you want to see. And here in the password tab, you will be able to view your password. So this was about how you can check Google account password. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.